Good morning children. Today I will explain the addition of digits. Suppose you are in an exam hall, okay, and ma'am has given you to solve the addition of digits. That time, so fast, how you can perform the addition? See children, the first digit is 9. 9 plus 3 plus 2. You have to add these digits. Now in exam hall, what you will do? In rough side, you will draw, the first digit is 9. So you will draw 9 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. The second digit is 3. You will draw 3 lines. 1, 2, 3. The third digit is 2. You will draw 2 lines. Now just count how many lines are there in all. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So there are 14 lines. So 9 plus 3 plus 2 is equal to 14. So fast you can perform the addition in the exam. Just practice it. Thank you.